Makadini, Kurise Ikoko, Kurise Zimbabwe.
All right. Oh, that's interesting. you understand what you're doing, right?
Yes, is Chokororo Mozoro.
Yes, Kuchkora
Chokora Mozora.
Yes, good job. Good job. It's a way of respecting.
All right,
Yes.
all right. And also I say that some of the ladies, they will be kneeling down and greeting
Yes.
elderly people.
Yes. They kneel down
Okay.
and then they greet.
So what do you call that one in Shona?
Kupfugama, wombera maoko.
Fugama.
Kupfugama, that's kneeling down.
Fugama.
Yes.
Okay.
And then wombera maoko, they then
Wombera
clap their hands.
maoko. All right, all right.
You understand how they clap their hands, right?
Yes, like this one.
Yes, good job. Yeah, by the way, today you're really looking beautiful.
Oh, my tabasa, you know, African, Zimbabwean Muroora,
Right.
in African attire.
Yes, in African attire. It's really looking beautiful on you. This is beautiful.
Thank you so much, my tabasa.
Yeah, I think you should have more of these now.
All right.
Because you're an African Muroora now. It's really looking beautiful on you. You
Thank
guys, what do you think? Makoti Muroora, is she looking beautiful in this dress?
All right.
I hope you're still enjoying our videos. We kindly ask you to follow to our Facebook page and to share our videos. Guys, kindly share our videos to your friends and to subscribe to our YouTube channel as well. Have a blessed day. God bless you.
Amen.